Sir, my name is Abhi Jain. I come from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I've done my schooling from Bhopal and my graduation in political science from Delhi University. Sir, I've been selected in 21 batch and currently working in Indian Postal Services, sir.
And where are you posted now?
Sir, I am posted in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
And recently I have also been the Meladhikari for the Mahakumbh 25 for my department, sir.
Achha. I visited your post in Prayagraj,
Sir.
there. What is the unique thing which is there?
Sir, this time, sir, with respect to Mahakumbh 25?
Yes. I visited your post there.
Sir.
So what is the unique thing? You can let others also know.
Sir, several unique things. We started this time something called as the cash on call service, sir.
Yeah.
Which is the Aadhaar enabled payment system. So for visitors, they can we had a toll free number, they can call on and our postman, the Dakiya, can go and deliver them cash. That was one thing, sir, which got a lot of leverage. Secondly, we also pitched for our postal parcel services, sir, for the domestic and international parcels. So a lot of visitors, they don't like to carry a lot of weight along with themselves. So we tried pitching that and we saw a significant business and traffic there. So thirdly, we also tied up with the Netra Kumbh initiative which was there in Mahakumbh. The approximately 5 to 6 lakh people were treated for their eye operations and then they got spectacles. So sir, most of the visitors it was seen that most of the visitors were immediately leaving. So the spectacles were to be delivered at their home. So India Post tied up with Netra Kumbh. That was there. Sir, one more unique thing I would like to point out. We tied up with the Prayagraj Mela Authority to spread the message of Swachh Kumbh. It was a nudge approach. So a plastic free, a pollution less Mahakumbh. So we also did that, sir.
Yeah, very good. Many of these things, we saw that it was happening on the ground.
Sir.
Spick and span.
Sir.
Since you are already in the Indian Postal Service,
Sir.
so you are already having a background of how the interview board is there.
Sir.
Anything which makes you different from the previous, people who have gone into IAS, which makes you unique that you want to join this service, this is your first choice, then followed by APS, Foreign Service, Customs,
Sir.
Income Tax, Indian Admission, Indian Audit Account Service, and I think Indian Railway Management Service.
Sir.
So what is that which is driving you to switch from one to another?
Sir, honestly speaking, everyone when it comes to UPSC aspires to become IAS or IPS, and until now, before coming into Indian Postal Service, I also had the very much energetic enthusiasm towards getting into IAS because it is the best service in the country, undoubtedly. But then this time, after watching myself closely working as the Meladhikari for department and seeing the Meladhikari for the whole Prayagraj Mahakumbh, Mr. Vijay Kiran Anand sir, who is 9 batch IAS officer. Sir, I realized that there's a lot more I want to do. As in, I was just managing one department and Mr. Vijay sir, he was managing more than 30 plus departments and he had a wider role. So I realized that because I have done this, I want to do more. That is one. Secondly, sir, I still believe that I am young and energetic. I have that drive, that enthusiasm in me, and that is basically it, sir. So
very good.
I'm trying to.
Very good. No, you come from Bhopal and the places. This Places of Worship Act has been much in news. What is your take on it?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm aware about this act, but I'm not aware about the provisions of the act. I'll have to read up on that, sir.
So, some recent development regarding this cash being recovered from the house of a judge. So, do you think there is a separate law for the judges that they can do anything wrong and get away with it?
Sir, there is no such separate law, but then there is a separate mechanism as to how to go about it. Sir, based on what I have understood, initial inquiry has to be done from within the High Court or the Supreme Court. There is a proper judicial mechanism which is called as the in-house inquiry committee. After that, there are multiple options. The first option, if the Chief Justice of the High Court or the Supreme Court allows us to file the FIR, or to pass on the matter to the Parliament, who can start the impeachment process after discovering it. But then, sir, judges are not different when it comes to application of the criminal laws, and if any such criminal law is established and inquiry establishes that there are serious allegations, so the laws of the land applies to the judges as well, sir.
So you are suggesting that there is a separate mechanism,
sir,
and perhaps the procedures which are being followed, this is being followed in letter and spirit.
sir.
So mechanism which is there will override the law of the land. If a cash is recovered
sir.
from somebody's house, if it was recovered from your house,
sir.
what would have been the case?
Sir, the normal application of the law, sir.
So the places would have been sealed, other things would have happened. Nothing of this thing has happened.
Sir,
So do you think that it needs a relook at the whole thing?
Sir, I am of the opinion that there should be a relooking over this aspect, sir, because certainly judiciary being such an important institution in this country, it cannot be less accountable in front of the eyes of public, sir. Justice should be done, and it should also be seen to be done. So I am of the opinion that there should the Supreme Court or the High Court itself should come out and allow for the filing of the FIR and the normal course of the law to proceed further, sir. So this will in fact enhance the credibility and the trust of the institution, sir. Having said that, sir, I believe that a proper relook over the current mechanism with executive or maybe involvement of the Parliament along with the judiciary can be certainly a step going forward, sir.
All the best, sir.